Yo, it's a science, yo. This is Lord, man. I'm holding it down, man. 715 Live. You know what time it is, man. Yo, Locksmith all day, every day. Yo, me and my mans and them rap sheet niggas, man. Yo, that's my heart right there, man. Game recognized game.
Yo, you gotta feel me on this one.
Easy shit right now, son. Yo, do knowledge, man. Peace.
Check it. Yo, what's the science, baby? There's no ifs, ands, or maybes. I'ma cop your math and be Swayze. It's all gravy. There's no stalling with I. You got a man, well stop calling this guy. I got plans, my ball with the eye. And every day we hit the mall and we buy lamp and plush condominiums as tall as the sky. Penthouse with verandas. The view there's expensive. Rooms with en suites. Nothing less would do. You're licking your lips. An Escalin, Chardonnay sips. Cartier outfits. Yeah, I'm loving the fit. You all natural. The actual fact is you looking like a big body Benz with immaculate features. You live a young life for leisure. Well, how's about a life for leisure with the righteous and rich? Smooth. We cruise through the avenues, glancing out the factory tint. Yo, this buggy is me. Chicks love me, removing my link and hold me down with them XXX pics if I'm doing a stick. Word. And that's the drill, man. Yo, tell me, what's the science though, man? Let's go.
Ice on my neck and wrist, pocket reflex with this.
Be easy, ma. Why you talking so reckless?
You never built with the original man, though.
I don't see nothing wrong bringing my friends along.
Damn, the type of chick put you under a click.
Locksmith circulating the strip. Overseas got dimes with their brains right, waiting to strip.
I specialize in training of sexual arts, and you was built for this. Back got that natural arch. Not a player, but I play my part. Spit in this game, I do it right. So we start with the digits and names. Locksmith over here, or you can get with them lanes. Them niggas getting you drinks while I'm getting the brains. And these chicks just can't refrain from offering their services. They worship the God with offerings and services. Back shots, I be squashing their services. You misguided and undecided, I show you what your purpose is. Work with this grown-ass man. We heading back to the spot, things are going as planned. My sex is long distance, potent, God gifted. Perform miracles once my rod's lifted. Like Moses and Aaron, got the length and the strength for the holes in my harem. I'm exposing my theorem.
Ice on my neck and wrist, pocket reflex with this.
Be easy, ma. Why you talking so reckless?
You never built with the original man, though.
I don't see nothing wrong bringing my friends along.
Damn, the type of chick put you under a click. Locksmith circulating the strip. Overseas got dimes with their brains right, waiting to strip.
And that's the drill, darling. You straight knowledge and I like a harlequin. Seen Mars, you starring a pretty young Pisces. I like Leo, which is it my flights to Australia, sightseeing Rio. Everything smooth, we internationally move. Then we jump in a jacuzzi to discuss tattoos. Our Lord attribute written in Arabic, right above the ass crack. So when I'm tapping that, I'm staring at it.
I'm so charismatic. She hoping that I visit, got her speaking with her tongue. Her devotion is religious. I be poking them exquisite and making them wild. The bad man in the bedroom that's changing up styles. From the sex position to the next position. I ain't hear 'em when they talk. If it's yes, I listen. If it's no, I diss them and proceed to move. Gotta meet the prerequisites. Indeed, you do.
Ice on my neck and wrist, pocket reflex with this.
Be easy, ma. Why you talking so reckless?
You never built with the original man, though.
I don't see nothing wrong bringing my friends along.
Damn, the type of chick put you under a click. Locksmith circulating the strip.